I'm back, baby, and I got 10 great last-minute gift ideas for any dad who likes to cook. Now, most of these will be on Amazon, but you might also be able to find them at Walmart, Sam's, or Costco, sometimes for a little less. Links will be in the description, of course. Now let's get shopping. Number 10, a funny t-shirt about cooking. Now I'm partial to this one, and wait for it, you'll get the joke, but I've also worn others. They all fit great, did not shrink, and range in price from $15 to $20. If you don't like these, get a Best Dad one, of course. Number 9, tiny tools. I use my tiny tools like whisk and spatula all the time. It's something you never think you'll need until you do. You can buy them individually or in a set. The Ray Dunn set has just about every mini tool out there, and you can get it all for 18 bucks. Or sometimes you can even find mini tools at the dollar store. Number 8, a spice rack. There are some great magnetic ones for the side of the fridge, and they can range from $12 to $20. But if dad's rubs are getting excessive, like mine were, you can do what I did and get a behind-the-door version for around 50 bucks. Number 7, grill accessories. Now, grill accessories are a great gift for the griddle, grill, or smoker. Polygo makes a great one with just about everything you can want for $26. Cuisinart makes a nice wood set, and if dad already has a grill set, you can't go wrong with this grill scraper by Grill Art that is bristle-free for around 20 bucks. Number 6, a Cook's Illustrated subscription by America's Test Kitchen. The monthly magazine is beautifully illustrated and is loaded with seasonal tips and recipes. A 1-year sub is around $25. If that doesn't work for you, you can get this phone book of recipes by ATK for around $50. Number 5, a chef's knife. A decent chef's knife is usually around 8 inches long and is the utility knife of the kitchen. You want one that has good balance and will stay sharp. There are many decent blades out there, but for the best bang for your buck, I recommend one by Mercer or Victorinox. Number 4, a countertop roaster oven. It's an unusual gift that you won't use but a few times a year, but when you need one, you really need one. This particular model is by Aroma and it's 22 quarts. It says you can roast a 28-pound turkey in it. I don't know about that, but I did use it to hold my brisket at 150 degrees for 15 hours, just by plugging it in. You can look for that video in the near future. Until then, you can get this on Amazon or Walmart for around 60 bucks. And if you want the insertable warming buffet, you can get that set for 84. Number 3, a sous vide machine. I use mine about once a week. It's great for precision cooking everything from a steak to whole roasts, like the leg of lamb I did. I use an Innova, and they have several types that range in price from $65 to $130. Number 2, a vacuum sealer. It's a great gift for someone that already has a sous vide machine. It's great for water cooking or anyone who freezes food. They range in price and quality from 50 bucks to 200. Now, a very good one that won America's Test Kitchen is the Nesco Deluxe for around 95. But if you want something not as big and bulky, you can get this Food Saver for the same price, or this Mueller, which I use, for around $50. And finally, number 1, an AeroGarden. I received an AeroGarden as a gift a few Father's Days ago, and I love it. What is it? Well, it's a countertop hydro garden that's great for growing herbs, tomatoes, flowers, really anything that adapts well to hydro growing. There are many brands out there, but for me, I would go with the OG, and that's the AeroGarden brand. The Harvest Elite goes for around $65 and has 6 pods for growing. They have a new smaller version called Sprout, and that has 3 pods. And by the way, you can put it anywhere really. It doesn't have to be your kitchen counter. And if dad already has one, you probably could use this kit that has a ton of pods to DIY it, or any of the sets of seeds and pods that they sell. And that's my top 10 last-minute gift ideas for dad this year. From my family to yours, I hope you have a great Father's Day. And as always, I look forward to your questions and comments. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.